Alright, so I have this braid that I need to put back in, and excuse the white stuff, it's just product buildup, what that is. I need to wash my hair. So what I'm gonna do is split this hair in half. Okay. Oh, where did it go? Okay. Honey, I'm gonna need your assistance to hand me the rubber band. Oh, what happened to it? Oh, wait. I need you to hand that to me. What'd you do?
Pull the braid out.
It needs to be redid because I could see the rubber band. Well, it wasn't looking right. It's okay if I see the rubber band, but if my real hair showing with the rubber band, no. So we're gonna loop that on right there, and give me the rubber band. Put this on. Like so. You don't have to tie it on so many times. Okay. I think I did it enough. This is an old rubber band, so it's not gonna hurt. Okay, so we're gonna braid this with this real hair. So the real hair is gonna be the third strand, and then you split one of those pieces of hair into two, and then add it to the middle strand and braid it down a little bit more. Okay, so now we have a piece of hair attached. And now we take our bigger piece of hair and wrap it around that one. Like this.
Right now, as you're watching this video, about 20 volcanoes are erupting around the world. And while some of their summits have been continuously spitting out clouds of ash for months at a time, others have just woken
like
up.
so, like
About these
that.
volcanic statistics before the video
Yeah,
began, but imagine
that.
being such a horrifying sight. A freshly erupting volcano
This one.
your window right now under your very eyes. You would probably need to run away as fast and as far as possible to get away from the
Under twist.
and the deadly pyroclastic cloud. But indeed, one day, there may be nowhere to run away to. Scientists count a total of 1,532 volcanoes on the surface of the Earth, at least at the moment. Fortunately, during the entire period of human existence,
we're gonna add some hair to the middle strand.
160 volcanoes
Yes.
erupt about once every decade, with about 50 erupting annually. Thankfully, most of them are fairly small volcanoes, relatively speaking, and don't do much damage or cause any harm. But if one of the most formidable and awe-inspiring of these mountains of fire for some reason decided to run at its full capacity, believe it or not,
I wonder if I do a 4-strand braid, what would it look like? So, we got 1, 2, 3. We're gonna twist this one, and we're going to do that, and then I don't know. What's going on now? Oh, I don't know what I'm doing. This is what's happening.
It's on the volcanoes.
Oh.
Once an active holiday. Pretty much. 3 months.
The volcano has erupted only 3 times in all of history. The last time being about 630,000 years ago. And each time it did erupt, it caused massive world-altering cataclysms.
It looks weird.
Mountain ranges were destroyed. The Earth itself rose. Over the eons, the summit collapsed and created a giant...
I ain't gonna do it.
A super crater now known as the Yellowstone caldera. Its width varies from between 30 to 45 miles.
So braid that all the way down.
In more recent history, America's first national park.
We're going under, braiding under